Have you ever wondered what gives our skin, hair, and eyes their color? A fascinating substance known as melanin holds the answer. Produced by specialized cells in our skin called melanocytes, melanin is a pigment that plays a crucial role in our appearance. Now, there are three forms of melanin present in humans. First, we have eumelanin, which manifests in brown and black hues. Then there's pheomelanin that appears in red and yellow hues. Last but not least, we have neuromelanin, which unlike the other two is found in the brain. It's the melanocytes that produce eumelanin and pheomelanin. These pigments are then transported to the skin surface by cells known as keratinocytes. And here's a fascinating fact. People with darker skin actually produce more melanin than those with lighter skin tones. So melanin is the secret behind our physical appearance, but it does way more than that. From skin pigmentation to protection from UV light, melanin wears many hats. It's an essential pigment produced by specialized cells known as melanocytes. These tiny powerhouses create two main types of melanin, eumelanin and pheomelanin, which are then transported to the surface of our skin by keratinocytes, another type of skin cell. Each type of melanin has its role to play. Eumelanin, appearing in brown and black hues, and pheomelanin, manifesting as red and yellow hues, are responsible for the color of our skin. The variation in skin pigmentation among individuals is due to the ratio of eumelanin to pheomelanin and the number of active melanocytes. But melanin doesn't just stop at skin color. It also influences our hair and eye color. Black hair, for instance, has a large quantity of eumelanin, while red hair primarily contains pheomelanin. Eye color, too, is a canvas painted by melanin. Beyond aesthetics, melanin serves as a protective shield, absorbing harmful UV light. Interestingly, eumelanin provides better defense against UV radiation than pheomelanin. Melanin's role doesn't stop there. It also defends against reactive oxygen species, or ROS, byproducts of cellular processes that can cause cellular damage and stress. By picking up ROS generated by UV light exposure, melanin potentially prevents conditions like aging, cancer, and diabetes. It's clear that melanin is not just about color, it's about our health and well-being too. Melanin doesn't just affect individuals, it has shaped the entire human population. The distribution of melanin across the globe is a story told by genetics, geography, and the passage of time. The genes that rule melanin production have been passed down through generations, subtly tweaked and refined by evolution's hand. Geographical factors play a significant role. In regions with intense sunlight, for instance, people tend to have more melanin to shield them from harmful UV radiation. Conversely, in areas with less sunlight, melanin production may be reduced, resulting in lighter skin tones. But it's not just about genetics and geography. The footprints of historical migration patterns have left their mark on the melanin map of the world, and cultural perceptions of skin color have shaped societies, influencing social hierarchies and narratives throughout history. Melanin is truly a global phenomenon, influencing not just our appearances but our cultures and societies as well. So why does melanin matter? Well, melanin is more than just a color palette for our skin, hair, and eyes. It's a protective shield that safeguards us from harmful environmental factors. Melanin absorbs ultraviolet light, reducing the risk of skin damage and skin cancer. Furthermore, it picks up reactive oxygen species, or ROS, which are harmful byproducts of cellular processes. By doing this, melanin potentially helps prevent aging, cancer, and diabetes. But what happens when there's a lack of melanin? This brings us to a condition called albinism, a group of inherited disorders characterized by a reduced or complete lack of melanin in the skin, hair, and eyes. Individuals with albinism often experience white or yellowish-white skin, yellow hair, and a colorless retina. They may also have a pale pink or pale blue iris and pupil and exhibit photophobia, which is a sensitivity to light. Albinism results from mutations in specific genes that are crucial for melanin production. For instance, mutations in the TYR gene interfere with the enzyme tyrosinase, which is necessary to create melanin. Despite the challenges faced by individuals with albinism, they often lead fulfilling lives, proving that life's diversity is as much about resilience as it is about biology. Melanin is more than a pigment. It's a crucial part of our biology, influencing our health, our appearances, and even our societies.